Hello everyone, my name is Uziel Riaño, and this time I will talk to you about 3D printing, its wonderful applications and concerns. 3D printing technology has arrived, and along with it, it has come a new wave of fears and concerns. But first, let's focus on the many applications this new technology has. One major application has to do with education. It seems that most educative institutions in advanced countries find new ways of using this technology every day. In those institutions, students learn on how to create new artifacts, devices, and actually some forms of art. Of course, samples of this new art are quite simple, probably like this one, Lego-like things. However, NASA believes that it won't be necessary for them to send that many tools to the International Space Station in the future because sending a 3D printing to this place will allow the astronauts to print the necessary tools on demand in the near future. And that is such an amazing way of using this newly come technology. On the other hand, because of the recent terrorist attacks in Europe, some people feel that the next danger to one's security may come in the form of weapons designed and created by extremists using 3D printing technology. Their fears are valid because some of the materials used in this newly kind of printing may make those little parts undetectable. So, what concerns some people is that those easy to carry weapons may be printed and later assembled during flights or used in explosive devices that may not be easily detected. In conclusion, as this new invention is widely used, people find new ways of using this new technology and more practical ways of use it, from classrooms to space travel and exploration. However, some fears about this new technology remain. Only time will tell us whether those fears may come true or not.